5G Mobile. 5G is the latest generation of mobile technology and is the next evolution of Australia's mobile networks following 3G and 4G. Providers are currently rolling out 5G and we expect it to be available to most in the next 2 to 3 years. 5G technology brings 3 main benefits. 1. It's faster. 2. It has lower latency, meaning quicker response times. 3. It has greater capacity, so many more devices can be connected to the network at the same time. Keep in mind that 5G is a very new technology and 4G continues to provide great performance and meet the needs of Australian mobile users, such as those connected to Mate's great range of 4G mobile plans.